stop. You can get these premium resources free of cost, and if you are a student, then it's 100% sure. Now here we are talking about the GitHub Student Developer Pack and how to claim the resources, how to get the benefit of the Pro plan. Here we'll talk about it in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Coming to the page, this is the page where GitHub Student Developer Pack. So if you're a student, whether you're a student of school, college or university, everyone gets the chance to take part in it because there is no restriction. Now coming over here, you can see what are the resources available for you free of cost. So you must be into development. So you'll be getting DigitalOcean. You must be knowing it's like a cloud hosting platform, which is built for developers. You'll be getting 200 free credits for 1 year. Apart from this, if you want to build your website, you'll be getting a free domain registration. Along with it, SSL certification, GitHub Copilot, Name.com, Microsoft Azure, Notion, .tech domain free of cost, GitHub Pro, JetBrains, MongoDB. Here you can see more than plenty of resources are there, and it's more than $100. I think it's more than $1,000 because you can see here all these mention that they have mentioned that more than 200 credits for each resources. So it's more than $1,000 resources you are getting free of cost. So how to apply for all these resources? And if you're a student, you can just explore it free of cost. You have to simply, first of all, you need to have a GitHub account. Now, how to create a GitHub account? I have made a video. I'll update the video later on. But if still you want to know how to create a GitHub account, so here in this website, you have to come github.com and simply click on sign up. And here are multiple methods. You can use your Apple or Google ID or just use a traditional method to just sign up or create the account. If you already have account, you can simply use the old account also. So if you already have an old account, you have to simply click on this sign up. And here it will be redirected to your GitHub account. Now here you have to click on start application. Now here you need to apply for a role, means whether you are a student or teacher. See, everyone can apply. See, if you are a student, then you need to select student only directly over here and just mention your school or college name. So let me write a sample. I'm just selecting this. You can select your college or school. After that, you need to just click on continue. Now it's asking for share location. So you have to allow the location over there. And after that, it will just fetch over here. So let me just add it. So once you have allowed the location, you have to click on continue. Here you have to simply click on allow and just turn on location on your system or in this one also means settings. You can just update it. It's very easy. So after that, click on continue. Now here you have to select the proof. Like here, multiple proofs are there. If you are having a college ID, you are having a enrollment letter, syllabus. These are poor. Means if you are having a college email ID also or college ID means email ID and college ID means your identification card, I want to say. So if it is there, then it's well and good. And with the enrollment date means if you join college today, it should mention the enrollment date and all the details, including the signature. After that, you have to just start camera, and from the front camera of the mobile or maybe desktop, whatever you are using, you have to just show your document and just take the picture. After that, simply click on continue and then move to the next step. Once you took the photo, you have to simply click on continue. And after that, it's asking why you are not in the campus. So if you are just, actually the problem is that if you are in the campus, they will fetch the location that whether you are in the same college or not. If you are not in campus, means they will fetch the location from the GPS. You enable the location in the first step. After that, you have to just mention all the things and then simply submit the application. So once you submit the application, it will just check all the things and do. As I am doing just a demo, that's why I'm not submitting the application because I don't read the GitHub Developer Pro because I'm already a part of the developer membership. So simply you have to just share all the documents and submit it after your application will be reviewed and accepted if you're using the same thing. The main thing you need to understand that you need to upload the college ID proof over there and just select it. And if you are in the campus, you can take your picture in the campus and just share your image and the ID proof. So that was the quick update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Also participate in the Fast Data program. If you have any doubts, just check the description box for how to participate.